Hey, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the best, easiest, and most affordable way to start an LLC in Iowa today. Now, this is exactly how I create all of my business entities, and it is crazy because you guys can literally start your Iowa LLC in about 5 minutes. It is really that simple. So the first part of this video, I'm just going to go over what LLCs are and why they may be beneficial to you as an entrepreneur or small business owner. And in the second part, I'm going to take you step by step through a simple 4-step process of getting your LLC in Iowa set up and ready to go. So if you do want to skip to any part of this video, I'll put the timestamps down below just to make it nice and easy for you. But now, without further ado, let's get started and let me show you how you can start an LLC in Iowa in about 5 minutes. So firstly, what is an LLC? Well, an LLC is a type of business structure that stands for Limited Liability Company. It is perfect for starters and entrepreneurs, and I always tell people, if you actually want to take your business seriously, it is a great idea to start an LLC. That's because there are just so many benefits that come along with having an LLC. First of all, they limit your personal liability. So what this means is that if your company gets sued for whatever reason, they cannot come after your personal assets. So if your business does something wrong when you actually get sued by someone, then only the assets that are inside that LLC are at stake. So things like your house, your cars, and any other personal assets, they will be completely safe. That is where the term limited liability comes from. Now, if you are creating a business and you're looking for outside funding, LLCs also allow you to raise the outside capital. And of course, LLCs can have some very specific tax advantages. So rather than starting a C corporation, which actually gets double taxed, with an LLC, this is called a pass-through entity. So you're only going to get taxed one time. Now, I'm not going to go into too many of the details about the whole taxation of LLCs because it's different for everyone and your business. So when it comes to the taxation stuff, I would just highly recommend speaking to an accountant and figuring out what works best for you and your particular business. Alright then, now let's move on to the next section where I'm going to guide you through the simple 4-step process of getting your Iowa LLC set up and ready to go. So setting up an LLC can be a time-consuming and just a complex process, especially if you're doing it yourself. You could potentially make a bunch of mistakes and just waste a lot of your time. So instead, I would just highly recommend using an LLC formation service to just do everything for you. And that is where Taylor Brands comes in, because their LLC formation service can make the process quick, easy, and completely hassle-free. So first off, what is Taylor Brands and how can they help you with starting an LLC in Iowa? Well, Taylor Brands is an online platform that provides all sorts of branding and design services for businesses. They literally have everything you could possibly need to start a business completely from scratch. They have a logo maker, website builder, branded merch, business card designer, and a bunch of other useful tools as well. But in addition to the design services, they also offer quick and easy LLC formation services for entrepreneurs looking to start a business. Now, some of you might be wondering, well, why use Taylor Brands formation service instead of just doing the LLC by myself? Well, there are honestly several reasons that I can think of. Reason number one, it is going to save you a lot of time and hassle. Because like I said earlier, setting up an LLC can be a complicated process, especially if you're doing it for the first time. But Taylor Brands LLC formation service takes care of all the paperwork and filing for you, saving you all of that time and hassle. Reason number two, their expert level guidance. So Taylor Brands LLC formation service provides just the best expert level guidance throughout the entire process. They've done this hundreds of thousands of times, so if you have any questions or concerns, they are there to help you and you can chat with them 24/7. Reason number three, peace of mind. So with Taylor Brands LLC formation service, you can have peace of mind knowing that your LLC is getting set up correctly and fully legally with no mistakes made at all. And reason number four is their affordable pricing. So Taylor Brands LLC formation service offers very affordable pricing for what you get, and it is a perfect option for small business owners who may be working with a limited budget. You can get your LLC formed for as little as $49, which is an absolute bargain. This service is designed to make the process of setting up an LLC as simple and straightforward as possible by doing literally everything for you. The only thing required of you will be to go through the simple 4-step process on their website that will literally take you about 5 minutes. So let me quickly guide you through this simple 4-step process. Step one is just to answer a few simple questions about your business. Taylor Brands will ask you some very basic questions about your business, such as the name of your company, its purpose, and of course the state where you want to form your LLC. Step 2, Taylor Brands will create your articles of organization. So based on the information you provide, Taylor Brands will create your articles of organization, which is the legal document required to form an LLC in Iowa. They will ensure that all of the necessary information is included and that the document is formatted 100% correctly. Step 3, Taylor Brands will file your articles of organization with the state. So once your articles of organization are complete, Taylor Brands will file them with the Iowa Department of State Division of Corporations. This is the governing agency responsible for registering and regulating LLCs in Iowa. They'll also obtain your federal tax ID number or EIN from the IRS and provide you with a copy of your completed articles of organization and everything else. And step 4, well, you're basically done and you're ready to start your business. So after your LLC is formed, you will receive your certificate of organization from the Iowa Department of State Division of Corporations. This document proves that your business is fully legally registered and it is ready to start actually operating. So guys, in conclusion, setting up an LLC in Iowa does not have to be a difficult or time-consuming process. With Taylor Brands LLC Formation Service, you can get your LLC set up quickly and easily, leaving you more time to focus on the important part of actually growing your business. Their expert guidance and affordable pricing make them a perfect choice for small business owners looking to start their entrepreneurial journey. So if you would like your Iowa LLC entirely set up for you with only about 5 minutes of work on your end, try Taylor Brands by using the discount link I provided for you in the description and pinned comment down below this video. But as for this video guys, that is just about it. If you do have any questions about forming an LLC in Iowa or about Taylor Brands, drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to drop a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.